welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritukapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Euphorbia Box for the month of July. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for a monthly subscription is 309 rupees, and they have longer subscriptions as well, 3 months, 6 months, and a yearly subscription. And of course, if you take the longer subscription, you will save a lot of money. The yearly subscription will cost you at only 259 rupees per month, which is amazing. So you're gonna save a lot of money. Now, I will be mentioning everything, the buying link and everything in the description box. So check the description box for more details. Now, let's quickly see what all it has. So first, I can see this white sheet here and then the bag. So first, let me show you the bag and then I'll open the sheet. So this is the bag for July month. Red color bag, and it's quite spacious, I would say. Good, useful bag. You can just keep your makeup, jewelry, anything. And the quality is quite decent. So yes, happy with this one. Now, this white sheet, so let me just open this. It says, congrats, you are one of our 200th winner of our fastest finger round. You will receive a beautiful wristwatch worth rupees 500 rupees. So thank you, Euphorbia Box, for this. Yes, I'm going to see what I will receive. So let's just see. Okay, now I have this info card. This is the info card and it says, elegance is the beauty that never fades, which is so true. And on the other side, I have the list of all the products. So let's start with the first one. The first one is by AM Greens and this is a under eye cream. This is the one. 30 ml is the quantity and this is under eye cream for tired eyes. The price is 599 rupees for 30 ml. The manufacturer of June 2019, best before 18 months from the manufacturing date, and this is the one. So yeah, looks nice, quite, but I'm too lazy to apply something like this. Like I have to take out the cream and then apply it. I prefer the roll-on thing better, but yeah, happy with this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Aranyam and this is the solid shampoo soap bar. Okay, different product for me, solid shampoo bar. Okay, and Aranyam is quite a decent brand, I would say. I've used some of their product and this is how it looks. The price for this one is 450 rupees for 75 grams and it has coconut oil, cocoa butter, tea tree, basil, neem essential oil. So it looks nice and it's a shampoo. So yes, I think I'm going to try this. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is again from AM Green and this is a relaxing oil. The price for this one is 399 rupees for 10 ml and it says just rub on the wrist and behind your ears. It will relax your nerves. Okay, I'm surely going to use this. Looks nice and quite useful. So yes, I'm definitely going to use it. Okay, now moving on to the next one. The next one is the jewelry, beautiful jewelry I have. So a pair of earrings. Let me just open it and let me show you. These are the earrings. The price for these are 149 rupees. Yes, let me just take out my earrings and then wear these ones. So this is how the earring look and you can just see it's looking really pretty. The color is grayish black, so they will go with, I think, almost everything. So yes, happy with this one. The price for these are 149 rupees. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is this. I have a sachet from Acne and this is a face wash. This will smoothen your skin and this will whiten your skin tone. So 3 grams is the quantity. It does not have the price, so I'm not telling you the price. Now the last one and the best one is the gift from Euphorbia Box, which is a beautiful wristwatch. So this is the wristwatch, really pretty. You can just see it's so pretty. I'm liking it. Okay, that was Ulta. This is the watch. Let me just wear it and show you the look. Wow, so you can just see it's looking so pretty. I'm loving it. I'm not really sure where I'm going to wear it, but you can just see it's so pretty. So yes, I'm definitely going to try this. Now that's all what I have received, and thank you Euphorbia Box for this. That's all what I have received in my Euphorbia Box. The total worth of all the product is around 1600 plus the sachet. I don't have the price for this, and plus the watch. So that's all. If you like this box, go ahead and place your order. I will be mentioning everything in the description box. So that's all. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and Bye-bye.